we all have gone through several programs and all, right? And we need a fundamental understanding, basic principles of C programming language, right? So without that, you cannot proceed as such, right? So when I was discussing with few people here and there, I learned that you are finding it difficult in getting a grip of C programming language here and there. Okay, am I right, all of you? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now look into that. Basically, I'll tell you how do I search, how do I get into, how do I do learning on my own. Right now, I would like to take you into the self-learning drive. Now, I don't know anything about something, how to search, where to search, how to pick it, right? How to try on my own and learn it. This particular aspect I'm going to drive this is a change, right? Today I was discussing with some people expressed that this kind of an activity to be done, that's what I'm doing it. Okay, now look at that structure, right? Structure, today's topic of self-learning is structure. Please remember, I am not taking a C programming language. Since we referred a structure, right, and I have given an exercise on the pointer also to you, right? You people can use it. It is given in the my Google class. You can search it and see how pointers can be used, right? Now let's look into the structure. I want to know about the structure and I don't know anything. How do I proceed? Internet is a rich source of content, right? Now I'll type that one, structures in C language, structures in C, right? Okay, you search, you will get a huge varieties of things. But for you at this stage, I'll give a two source where you can refer it. One is tutorial point, some people refer that one, and Geeks for Geeks is another site which you can go through. Correct. Geeks for Geeks is, in fact, there are a lot of placement related things you can get it in that. So I'll open these two. Now I'm telling you, I'm a student now. I don't know anything about the structure and I want to learn the structure. How do I go about that? And if you have any problem, please put it in a chat box, right? And if at all you wanted, you tell your name, put your name only, and Manoj and Himarashmi, they will coordinate and give a chance to you so that you can speak to me. So I'll open in a new tab, then tutorials point, this also I'll open and I'll start studying that one, what exactly is being said there, right? What exactly is being said there. Okay, now let's look into wait, it is searching for that, right? So I don't know the structure. I opened this. Now my objective is that I need to learn a structure, write a program, check it. Okay, now I'll open Geeks for Geeks. Okay, look at that. I'm a student now, right? It says structure in C. I don't know anything at all, right? What is the structure, right? A structure, I'm a student, I'm reading now. A structure is a user defined data type in C. Oh, user defined in the sense like an integer character, it is also one data type. All right? A structure creates a data type that can be used to group the items of possibly different types into a single type. Oh, different type means what? Integer, character, float, all these things I can put together and make it one. I can make it one, right? But they're all related information. I told you in my session, right? Related information in sense, my roll number, my USN number, my name, my mobile number, I can put together and create one bundle called basket. All right. As a student, I'm learning this. I'm not telling to you people. Okay, I'm learning on my own. Here is an example given. What is that? Oh, struct. Struct is a keyword. Keyword in the sense it is to be used. Okay. Geek. Okay. Geeks for Geeks is a tag or the structure tag. Okay, we will see it. Is the name of the structure. All right. Then in that you will find members or the fields of the structure. What is that? Okay, name is a array of 10 characters, right? Then ID is the array of 5 integers. Then salary is a floating point of what? Is all are related to one particular person, name of a particular person, ID of the particular person, salary of a particular person. This entire thing, one person's, right, okay, related things are put together. This is called structure. I'm a student now, please remember, right? Are you okay at this stage? You people, at any point of time, anybody, okay, wanted to discuss with me, right? You can put your name, only your name, in the chat box. Himarashmi and Manoj will open up and they give a chance to you. Then you have to talk with me. Himarashmi and Manoj, okay, is this protocol okay?
Yes, sir.
That's good. So when I ask Himarashmi and Manoj, it means that I'm asking the entire class. Do not hesitate, right? The moment you put your name in the chat box, okay, both of these people will call you and you can unmute your mic and start talking to me. And once your discussion is over, mute it and get into backdrop. Okay, now I'm a student. Again, I'm telling, I'm learning. Okay, all right, understood, right? It is a common sense. Learning is a common sense. Only thing, you should have an attitude of sitting at one place and getting the contents and trying it. All right. Then how to create a structure? The struct keyword is used to create a structure. Following is an example. All right. What is that? Struct is a keyword. Then address is the name of the structure. This can be any name. It could be Manoj, it can be Himarashmi, it can be Kulkarni, it can be anything. But it should be meaningful name from, right, that particular problem description. Right. Opening flower bracket, closing flower bracket, and semicolon. Inside that, name is an array of 50 characters. Street is an array of 100 characters. City is an array of 50 characters. State is an array of 20 characters, and pin code is an integer. This all belongs to one particular address. The address has a different parts put together. I'll call it as an address. It is called user defined data type. Is that clear? Is that clear, Manoj, Himarashmi?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I'm a student now, I'm learning. Okay, this is to be defined like this, fine, right? How to write now another example, right? Struct point, opening flower bracket, closing flower bracket. Now the question is how to declare the structure variable. The structure variable can be either be declared with a structure declaration or as a separate declaration like a basic data type. There are two ways in which we can do it. First way is struct point, right? Then int x comma y and p1. P1 is actual variable which I'll be using it. It is not a point. P1 is a P1 is a variable of type struct point. This is how it is to be read. So point P1 contains two fields in that x and y. This is one way of declaring P1 point P1 structure of point. The other way is struct point int x comma y and semicolon, okay, you put it, and in your main program declare that struct point P1. P1 is a variable of the type struct point. This is how it is to be read. Are you clear? These are the two different ways. You can prefer any one. Himarashmi and
Yes, sir.
right. Okay. Please remember, I'm a student. I'm reading this. Then, how to initialize the structure member? Now look at that. I declare a structure, and inside that I initialize it. I get a compiler error. I cannot do like this because the moment you write a structure, the reason for the above error is simple. When the data type is declared, no memory is allocated for it. Memory is allocated only when variable is created. When variable is created, right? Here is an example. Look at that. Struct point int x comma y semicolon. No memory is created. In the main program, when I declare struct point p1 equal to in a flower bracket 0 comma 1, then memory for p1 is allocated. This is one way of initializing the structure, the fields of the structure. The floor is open. Is it okay? Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Right, please remember when Himarashmi and Manoj say yes, right, it doesn't mean that all are yes. If at all you have a problem, you have to open your mouth. If you don't open your mouth, I was talking to one of the student today, the online class is something like a buffet, right? You have to pick your learning. Individual. When Himarashmi Manoj says yes, doesn't mean that all of you are yes. Right? If anybody without any hesitation, Got it? Otherwise, what happens? We proceed. This is not operating system, right? We cannot divert it and keep on telling this, right? So please interact with your Govinda Paradar who is taking that one. Ask him to demonstrate, run the program, show it, explain it. Got it? Without any hesitation, tell them, sir, please explain, run the program, show it, why it is and all. You also do it. Right, now look at that. How to access the structure elements. Beautiful things are given. But though the contents are beautiful, I need to understand good things. Now look at that. Structure members are accessed using dot operator. Look at that. Struct point int x comma y semicolon. I have declared a structure, no memory is allocated. In the main program, a struct point p1 equal to 0 comma 1. But p1 is a variable of the type struct point and I initialize 0 comma 1. Now how to access it? p1 dot x equal to 20 I can do. Dot x, the x is a field, p1 is a variable of the type struct point. The variable p1 dot x equal to 20. This is the structure. This is the way it is to be used. When you use it, the pointers and all things are different. Don't confuse. Now printf x equal to percentage d, y equal to percentage d, p1 dot x, p1 dot y. Return 0. That's the end of that. When you run this program, small, chota sa program, when you run it, you get an output like this. Beautiful. Right? Geeks for Geeks is one site where everything you get it. Even placement, advanced concept also you get it in Geeks for Geeks. There are many sites. When you go to 7-7, you will be referring this also for many things. Himarashmi, am I right? Are you okay here?
Yes, sir.
Manoj, are you okay?
Yes, sir.
That's great. I'm a student, again I'm reminding. I'm reading on my own and building certain things. Whenever I build something, what I do is I can copy this one. See, look at that. You copy it, right? Put it in editor, save it and run it, compile it, match it, whether I get it or not. Play around. Only playing around, right, will make you to get practice and thereby you learn. Right now, what is designated initialization? Look, beautiful. Designated initialization allows the structure member to be initialized in any order. Please look into that. Here it is it is when you write it, first 0 is x, second one is y, in this order only. Himarashmi, am I right?
Yes, sir.
That's good. But I don't want in this order. I want y to be done first, x done to be done second. How to do it? Look here, right? I'll do struct point int x comma y int main struct point p1 equal to dot y equal to 0 dot z equal to 1 dot x equal to 2. This is how it is to be initialized. Don't ask question why dot. It is structure. Sorry, it is a syntax of a given programming language. Say in a traffic, you have to keep left. Why to keep left? That is the rule of the law of the land. Why not keep right side? Right? So now look at that. Struct point P2. I initialize only dot x equal to 20. What about the y and z? The storage classes, you have seen it. Right? What is that? The global variable. It will be initialized to 0. Check it. Right? Now printf percentage d p2 dot x 20 you will get. p2 dot y, p2 dot z, you do it. See what happens. That's called playing around. Himarashmi, Manoj, is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Huh.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Now what I have to do is I have to copy this. When you are learning, nothing wrong in copying. Copy it, run it, see it, what happens. Learn it. Then solve unknown problems. Right? Now I will take you to the, having learned all these things, the same thing I have copied and I kept it in an editor. I'll take you to that. And everything to be done in Unix only. Yeah? Don't do it in window. Right. Now look at that. It is a today. Please do like that. Author, UP Kulkarni. Date today. Problem statement, study of structures in C. Theory. Whatever theory you have studied in the internet, copy and paste it. When you write it here, it becomes a study material for you. Whatever you have seen so far, I've written everything here, copied and put it. All right. Now look at that program. Same thing I've copied here. I'm a student. Copying is not a crime, but not understanding is crime. Not applying your knowledge to solving other problem is a crime. Right? Now look at that. Include stdio.h, why it is required. Standard input output library. Include string.h. You know why string.h is being used. Right? It is a string operation we'll do. String operation, huh? Right? String, finding a length of a string, copying a string into variable, right? Etc. etc. I have declared a structure books, character title 50, character author 50, character subject 100, int book ID. What is the meaning of that? Title is an array of 50 characters. Author is an array of 50 characters. Subject is an array of 100 characters. Book ID is an integer, semicolon. Or declared a structure. No memory is allocated here. Manoj, Shivarashmi, am I all right here?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Anybody has issue, problems, please put your name in a chat box and these CRs will call that one and then you talk to me directly. No hesitation. I declare struct point int x, y, z. I have copied here. Nothing I have done. I'm a student. I don't know anything. Then int main, this also I have copied. Then struct books, book 1. Book 1 is a variable, remember. Book 1 is a variable of type struct books. Book 2 is a variable of the type, okay, struct books. Then look, string copy, right? In a double quote, C programming, this string is copied into book1.title, book1.author equal to, right? Thus, book1.subject equal to, thus, book1.book ID equal to, whatever it is, right? This is how we are keeping that book 1 variable of the type struct books ready with value put into the every field of that. Are you clear? Are you clear here? Everyone, any doubt here?
Yes.
Any doubt? What is that I am doing? I am not asking any my teacher to tell me. Arey, thoda sa common sense use it. You people are capable of doing it. Right? Now look at that. Okay, book 2 is initialized in the same way. I will not repeat. Then I want to print. How to print? Book 1 title is equal to percentage yes because it is string. Book 1 dot title, book 1 dot author, book 1 dot subject, book 1 dot book ID are printed the content of book 1 variable. Book 1 variable is of the type struct books. Struct books contain 4 fields in that: title, author, subject and book ID, and all are related to one book only. I wanted 100 books, then that is different. It is array of structure. I will not confuse now that right now. Is that clear? How to print the content of the structure, fields of the structure? Manoj, Shimarashmi.
Yes, sir.
Okay? Right.
Yes, sir.
Right. Then the second example, I will not tell about how to print the second one. See. Now look at the second example. Right? Second example is about the point. Point, where is the point? We have declared here the point. But memory is not allocated here. It is only declaration. Right? Now look at that. I create struct point p1 equal to dot y equal to 0, dot z equal to 1, dot x equal to 2 in a random order. Struct point p2 equal to dot x equal to 20. Right? Then printing that. What is that? p1 dot x, p1 dot y, p1 dot z. Then p2 dot x I print. What about y and z here? I will try. Shall I run this program? Shall I run this program?
Yes, sir.
So I have gone through the internet, understood, and here is a compiler. I copy it, run it, my understanding I verify it. I'll save this program, right? Then I'll compile this. Then I'll run this. I get output. Book 1 title equal this, book 1 author, book 1 subject, or book 1 ID. All are related to one book, and that's why structure is being used. Example 2. Right, look at that. This is how you get a printing. But look at the last one, x equal 20. What about y and z there? What variable, what value are not initialized? Then what it contains? Is it a garbage or 0? Right? So I don't know. Check it. And we have studied how to do that. What I'll do is, right, comma, right, I'll do y, comma, I'll do z. Then what I'll do is here, right, here I will make it as a y, here I'll make it as z. What is the purpose of this? I want to check what is the default value of this. Either it should be garbage or it should be 0. Right? Manoj and Imarashmi, are you all right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
This is what is called self-learning. You have to play around this is called playing around. Right? I'll save this. Again, I'll go there. I'll compile. I don't know. I'm learning. Right? I'll compile this. Right? I'll print it. Right? Look at that. Y equal to 0, Z equal to 0. Am I right? Imarashmi?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Why it is yes, sir? It is not because I said it. Because in a previous session, you all learned that one, all global variables, okay, external variables, default value is 0. Am I right? Himarashmi?
Yes, sir.
It is a global variable. It is available to all. Right? Similar to external. Right? So, storage classes in that we have seen automatic variable, default value is garbage, register variable, default value is garbage. Right? Then static and automatic stand external or global, right? Default value is 0. That have validated here. Are you getting it? Right? So this is my program. Once I do it, I've understood it. I understood it. Right? Now, what is an assignment? Activity number 1. You people have to do it. I'll define now. Okay? Write a C program, PRO program to store the details of 100 books, right? 100 books and display, right? Following details of each book to be stored. Use structure to store related information about each book. Hint. It is a hint. Please remember. I'll say, right? Struct books, right? Here I'll use the same concept. What is that? Struct books. I use the same concept. It is a hint. I'm not telling you the syntax of C language, right? I'm not telling hint. This is how it is to be declared, right? How can you do it? Right. Okay, again hint. How do I access? Okay, book, right? It's not a book one. Sorry, I should not use book one. It's a book. It's a books, I'll say. Book. I should not use books. Here I use book. My books. My books. Right? Now look at that. How do I access? My books, square bracket, okay, 30th book dot id, no, equal to, okay, 1 2 3 4. This is how I can store. These are hints, please remember. Now look at that. There is string copy. No, I'll use this one to help you. Sorry, right? I'll copy this and I'll help you in doing this. Right? These are the hint. Okay, I'll give it to you. Rather than this, I'll use this. Control V. right? Hint, these are the hint, right? With this, you should be in the position to do it, right? My books is an array. My books is an array of 100 element. Each element is of the type struct book, right? Books dot to here use, right? Control my books square bracket. So I'll say I dot title. I'm giving a hint. All of you listen, right? Control V, right? I. What is I? I could be 1 to 100, anything. Control V, right? I, right? Control V, right? I. Then what is that? I'll declare one, right? Okay, int I loop. Then what I do is for I equal to 0, right? I less than 100, I plus plus. What I do is, right here. Hope you understand this. This is a hint. It is not a program. It is not a C program. Don't copy this and don't say that it is not working, sir. What is that you have done? No. Right? This. Right? It is a concept. I declare okay, my books is an array of 100 books. Books, each book is of type struct books. Then int I equal this. For I equal 0, I less than 100, I plus plus 0 to 99. That is 100. I'll copy I, look at that. Okay, my books, I, array of this, dot title, I stored here. Then I want to print this. How to print? Same thing. Control C, I want to print. Right? It is not string copy. Right? I'll use, okay, here I'll copy printf. Where is that? Okay. I think it is better I'll copy this entire thing. That is better. Right? Rather than this. Okay, I'll copy this. So now look into this. Right, now what I have to do is I have to use, okay, my books I, because in the loop, right? Books, no, books 2, why it is books 2, books, right? Here, my books I, for I equal to 1 to 100. See here, oh, what did I do? Right, then I use my books, Control C, instead of here book, you say my books was for change of, right? My books title, my books I dot title. This is for printing purpose. Print, right? This is for, okay, this is for, right, storing, right? But what happens is here, okay, here I am initializing here only. All books are same type. This is the wrong thing. Storing, right? You have to read separately, right? This is wrong. Okay, you need to read, okay, all separately. That part you do it, right? So if I tell everything, right, it is not a good, right? Because all 100 books are of the same title, same author, same this thing. This has to be different, you know. So what you have to use? You have to use print, okay? Print of enter, hint, I'll give, right? So you need to use, you modify this, right? So modification, what is a modification? Right? You can write printf. So I'll tell you, okay, see here, modification. How do you do it? Right? Control C. This is a hint, not a syntax. Right? For I equal to this. For one I'll show, other things you do it. For one I'll show, right? Okay, see here. All field I'll not show. Okay, print F, enter the name of ith percentage D. Okay, name of this book. Right, this comma, sorry, this is right here, right, enter the name of the book, then I have to read it. How to read? Okay, scan F, check the syntax of that in C programming, right? Percentage S, double quote, comma, then what you have to do is, okay, the array name, that is my books I dot title, right? This. Okay, similarly do it for others, right? Himarashmi, are you finding this comfortable?
Yes, sir.
Right, now this now whatever I have given here, don't think that they are syntactically correct statement I'm writing. No, I wanted you to check it and do it, right? With this hint, right, whatever it is there, right, activity, you do it and let me know tomorrow, right? Now as a student, what did I do? I did it, I learned it from internet, right?
Hello, sir.
Tell me.
Sir, some students lost their connection, so can you let them in, sir?
Okay, right now nobody's waiting in my room. Have allowed. Nobody's waiting. I'm okay here, right side. I'm seeing all the things, right?
Okay, sir.
Anyhow, this video I'll put it, right? You people can try. Today night only I'll put it. I wanted you do not sleep today until you try this. Even it is a midnight 12 tosses also. That should be the challenge while you are learning. Right? This activity 1 also you have to do it. And this as it is. I didn't type it. I copied it from the internet and I understood it. Okay, all right. Now this modification, one more you have to do. Right? That activity I have given, hints also I have given it. Try this. But this is wrong, I told. You need to read all separately. Right? How to do it. This I gave one example here. Then printing I gave an example. This is just example. Huh? You check the syntax and then do it. And today, right, night, okay, all of you, right, complete it and then go for the sleep. Is it okay? Shall I close this? Any questions now? The floor is open for the discussion. Floor is open for the discussion. Anybody can unmute and talk to me directly. Manoj, Himarashmi, you can unmute. Manoj,
Sir,
Himarashmi.
still nobody raised in chat box, sir.
But they have to open their mouth. This is not part of Unix operating system. Right? I'm telling you as a student, okay, how to learn on your own by referring internet. Now you wanted about pointers. Type pointers in C. You get, type it, run it, play around, understand it. Got it? So writing program is very important. Here we are not solving any problems. There is no lot things about, nothing is about the logical thinking here and all. Simple. That logical thinking, everything comes in algorithms. You to build your own algorithms. To understand the complex algorithms, they are different. So did I answer your question, all of you? Himarashmi?
Yes, sir.
Right. I wanted everyone. Abhishek Sajjanawar, have you understood it?
Yes, sir. Understood. Yes, understood.
Manoj, you can read one by one all names.
Sir, all names in the participants list, sir.
One by one you read it.
Okay. Abrar Kachari.
Yes, sir.
Understood it?
Yes, sir.
Next.
Akshar.
Hello?
Yes, sir.
Understood?
Yes, sir.
Next. Quickly.
Akshata Ganigir.
Understood, sir.
When a name is called, immediately say understood. Okay, go ahead. Next.
Amruta Kalburgi.
Yes, sir.
Good. Next. Quickly, Manoj.
Anusha Somreddy.
Sir.
Understood?
Anusha Tupat.
Anusha.
Sir.
Anusha, understood?
Yes, sir.
Good. Next. Manoj, next. Quickly.
Anusha Tupat.
Anusha Tupad.
Sir, I think mic issues, sir.
Okay, next. Go to next one.
Anushri Kembavimat.
I understood, sir.
Good. Next.
Akash B.
Yes, sir. Next.
Bhavika N.
Understood.
Good. Next. Next. Manoj. This example we have taken it from Geeks for Geeks. Right? You can take it from that and do it. Even if I don't put it today night, you can work on that. Manoj, go ahead with the next name.
Himarashmi.
Huh.
Yes, sir. Understood.
Yeah, that's great. Next.
Jayatri.
Understood, sir.
Good. Next.
Kirti.
Kirti. Okay, good. Next.
Kiran.
Understood, sir.
Good. Next.
Lahari.
Next.
Lahari.
Lahari.
Madhumita.
Understood, sir.
Next.
Madhura Ulagadi.
Sir, understood, sir.
Next.
Manu Hegde.
Next. Good. Next.
Mayur Nayak.
Sir, understood.
Good. Next.
Neha Bhadrakaur.
Understood, sir.
Good. Next.
Ishan Patil. Nivedita Banerjee.
Understood, sir.
Good. Next.
NS Rachana. Parikshit Kamath.
Yes, sir. Understood.
Next. And
Prajwal.
Manoj, before you get into next name, I'll tell you tomorrow 8 o'clock my lab begins. Everyone should keep their program ready. I'll be asking those who have laptop. I'll be asking share your screen and run it and show. I'll call randomly everyone.
Sir, this program, sir.
This particular program.
Yes, sir.
Today night you have to sit, right? Otherwise you give a number of your parents mobile number. I'll tell them not to provide a dinner for you people until you complete. Take it lightly, yeah? Not serious about that.
Yes, sir.
Okay, go ahead. Next name.
Prakash Amapur.
Yes, sir. Understood.
Okay, next.
Pratiksha Patil.
Understood, sir.
Good. Next.
Priyanka.
Understood.
Next.
Vamshi,
Sir.
Good. Next.
Rakshita,
Understood, sir.
Good. Next.
Ranjita,
Understood, sir.
Good. Next.
Riya,
Understood, sir.
Good.
Sai Prabha,
I understood, sir.
Good.
Samrud, so mic issues.
Next. Next.
Sandeep,
Sir, I have doubts.
Tell me what is that?
Sir, why did we use a structure before the int main?
Right. See. Okay. You can use inside also. You can use inside also. It is just a demonstration. Right.
We can use after the
Yeah.
main
Yeah.
function also.
You can. You can. Okay. You can. You can. Right. You can. You can write it here. Right, but here look at that. This is the one, okay, where it is a declaration. This has no, okay, memory allocation. Right, memory allocation is being done here with a declaration. Right, rest all variable creation is done inside the main only. Variable declaration is done here. This has no meaning at all. This doesn't have a memory allocation. Are you getting it? It is to be written here. Right, then
Yes.
okay, memory is, I mean, variable is declared here. Got it? Understood?
Yes, sir.
And
Yes.
I told you one more thing. Okay, please refer the two ways of creating this structure. Right? One is like this. You can do it, no? Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Who asked that question?
Sir, Sandeep.
Sandeep. Sandeep. I can do something like Sandeep. Sandeep. Okay. Sandeep.
Yes.
Just look into that. Okay. Compile it. Right? Got it. Sandeep is a variable of the type point. I can do it. Sandeep, understood?
Yes, sir. Thank
Right.
you, sir.
Right. Anyhow, this meeting is getting over. I assume that all the people, okay, you people have understood it. All student. Okay. I think Manoj, with that we need to conclude. Am I right?
Sir, in the next class, we will do like whoever has understood, they can put yes in the chat box, and whoever has not understood, they can put no. And we will read the names of those students who have put no, so they can ask you questions.
Certainly. It is open for any mode. Now, today I tasked you to read every name because through online I have not seen the face of you people. Even name also I don't know. Got it? That is the reason
Yes,
for
sir.
which I wanted to go through all the things. Right?
No,
And
sir,
all of,
it will be
okay.
time consuming. No, sir. For
No,
that
no,
sake,
no,
I
no,
don't.
no, no. Okay, I wanted to see the names and all. That for that reason. Right? Please refer Geeks for Geeks. Right? Okay, type structure in C, refer Geeks for Geeks and do it. I'll also put this video there. Right? Shall I close this now?
Yes, sir.
Right, 1 minute. Right, I will close this. I'll stop sharing. 1 minute. So now look at that. One person wanted to join. I don't know why at this stage. As many as 59 students were there. Now it has reduced to 55, 56 and all. All right. With this, we come to the end of this today's session. Himarashmi, was it okay? Helpful to you? You all people?
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Right. Like this, read every aspect. Okay, even pointers, everything. Teacher will tell something, you also start reading on that, write some small program and learn it. So with this, I come to the end of the meeting. I will close now. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, bye. Bye.